Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today my family and I are going to be showing you this really awesome boomerang ball. So this has a little rotor on the inside that will spin and allow it to hover or float, so it can help with playing catch, or you can even play catch with yourself. So it's really cool. I'm going to show you all of the different ways that you can use this, and then I'm going to show you how we use it as a family whenever we play with it. It does take a simple USB on the top, and it doesn't take super long to charge, but the charge only lasts about 8 to 15 minutes whenever you're playing with it. And then there is a simple on-off switch on the top. Now whenever you first press that, you'll see the LEDs light up, which is going to make this perfect for playing at night, but it will not automatically start spinning. All you have to do to get it spinning is to make sure that it's in the up position and give it a little shake. If you want to deactivate the motor, flip it upside down and give it a little shake, and that will turn it off. So you can make the ball hover if you place your hand underneath after getting the motor going. And if you keep the right distance and make sure your hand stays below it, it will hover. Or if you want to use it for catch with someone else, you just want to tilt it slightly in the direction that you want it to go and give it a very gentle push. You don't want to push this super hard, or it can fly really high or go pretty crazy. Or you can even have it boomerang back to you by tilting it towards you and then again pushing it away really gently as the motor spins, and it will come back to you. So you can use this vertically, you can use it horizontally, and it's so much fun to use with friends and family, and it definitely gets you active and certainly helps with hand-eye coordination. So it can definitely be a little bit challenging to grasp, and we certainly haven't quite yet, but we are trying, and it is a lot of fun to play with for sure. Even if you're doing it wrong and having to chase after it, it is still so much fun to play with. And this would make for a wonderful gift, so I would definitely give this a try.